think TJ you are kulang. Can you add something? Si TJ nag-answer si David. That's 10. But yes. That is kulang. Can you add? Anyone that can you answer me? So it's about what? Yes, tama si TJ. Yes. Ang chapter 11 is about kasi TJ si Salema will explain ang so kasi TJ ang I will explain ang tempt. Okay, ang tempt it is not the same as not. Again, I will explain ang sign na tempt is not the same as not. But when you yield to the tempt, yes, it is same. Again, I repeat, ang tempt is not the same as not. Remember, si Jesus, the devil nag-met, at saka ang devil na ganyan-ganyan, ang devil nag-tempt si Jesus. But si Jesus, he did not yield. So it's fine. It's not so wrong. So ang tempt is not the same as not. Understand? But when you yield, when you obey, yes, that becomes sin. Yes. So, thank you. So ang chapter 11 is about, yes, tama si TJ, there was a temptation and then si David nag-yield at saka si David nag-sin. Okay, so it's like that. Now, I will summarize it kasi it's a story. Okay, I summarize. Ang Christian, God gave blessing. Okay? Again, I repeat, ang Christian at saka ang world is different, separate. Here in chapter 11, we're not talking about the world now. In chapter 11, we are talking about so si David nga low, nag-become sa high. Si David nga poor, nag-become sa rich. Now you understand. Si David what does it mean? Okay. Before the death handicap, but God bless the death not become normal. Before the death cheap, now the death not high. Before death not poor, now the death not rich. Before the death now the death why there will be a problem. What is the problem? I give you for example, the deaf before, local. Now the deaf nag-improve na ganyan-ganyan, nag-become before the deaf poor. Now nag-raise, nag-become that is the temptation. Then what will happen? Kawawa. That is the story of chapter 11 verse 1 to 12. So ang chapter 11 verse 1 to 12 is a story of David. Kasi at the time, you see, in verse 1, you see, that is the time of spring. That is the time begin. First you have the winter, that's cold, and ang cold tapos na, and then ang mga tree nag-fall, wala leaves, wala. Then ang time ng spring, it's about the time when the trees have ganyan ng leaves, and again the flower that grow. That is the time that is rest and beautiful. Kasi ang winter, the people na ganyan but in about begin ng spring, that is the time about March. So the snow magmelt and the cold mag-stop, nag-become it's beautiful, it's perfect. The flowers na grow and different thing. That is the time that the king, they rest. They don't go to war, not why. Meaning yan, dapat king ka, dapat mag-comfort ka, mag-happy ka, mag-ganyan ka, understand? Kasi if it is winter, you just do like that or you are in jail. But now spring, meaning you are free, so you are king, mag-ganong ka, not ka mag-go to war, not. Kasi you are king, you are not servant, you are not. So that is the time that perfect si David na ganyan, and then the problem is now you understand. So that is the story. So at the time, ang mga king, they do like that kasi they are successful, they pass. That is also the fit na time that the temptation wab at saka save it na fail. So that is compared that deaf. Mag-learn kayo. Before you are deaf, you are cheap. Now nag-become ka ganyan. Ang last yan, nag-tempt ka mag-proud, nag-tempt ka na nag-ganyan. Nag-tempt ka na mag-ganon, and different thing. Nag-tempt ka na on. Kasi before you are ganyan. Later. So that is a story of chapter 1, chapter 11. Any other question? Mary Rose, thank you for summarizing. Si Mary Rose nag-improve, nag-understand. Complete. Thank you, Mary Rose, nag-improve ka. And then you are right, yes. Now that is why that is why meaning. Now all of you deaf attention. That is why meaning. Before when deaf they are young, they are fine. If not become old, then what happened? The fail. Kasi before when deaf you are young, you don't like naga-obey. Kasi become ka na old. And then what happened? Ang deaf nag-proud. Ang deaf, last yan, kawawa yan ang deaf. Why? You will fail. Ang merciful, ang worst. Why? Magganyan at saka you do like that. Wow. Merciful. Deaf mag-learn, please. Kasi for example, deaf nag-learn, wala. Merciful ka. Later on yan, it is too late. That is why here, the verse in chapter 11, verse 1 to 5, it is explained how the danger ng wisdom, how the danger ng pas. How the danger ng ganun. How the danger ng rich. Why? Last. Macbeth. Okay? So, it's like that. Now, ang story ni David, that is a story that everybody is saying, the world is saying that is saying. But si Tusalem, I explain the meaning, the principle. I will not story in the death all yet. So kasi the death experience is same. But the important is the principle. The principle when the time when the person becomes improved, the time that the person is successful, that is also the time that there will be temptation. But if the death magganon, fine. But if the death will be lost and you will fail. Now we will learn the story that in chapter 11, 12, how David suffered. Okay? So now chapter 12, chapter 11, verse 6 to 15. GD, you read this one? Tapos that is Friday, that is chapter 6, verse to 15. So si Tusalem is the word is clean. The word no. Okay. So first, si David, he was tempted, and then he yielded, and then when he yielded, he sinned. Ang chapter 1 and 2, ang sin ni David dalawa. First he saw the girl, and then he lusts. So the same death you have and then you lust. Yeah. You like. That's why the deaf like maganyan kasi they lust. The deaf like maganyan kasi they lust. Wow. And they lust especially when they post that in the Facebook. So they lust that. That is why now the world is wicked. Why? Kasi they post in the Facebook. And everybody yan mag-lust, mag-reach, mag-lust, mag-eat, mag-lust, mag-anong ganun, anything, all yan is lust. And they post that in the Facebook. Mag-lust. Kasi if you are poor, you kawawa. But if you are rich, everybody like. Kasi you are rich, they like. And mag-lust. That is the wrong and the sin. The second, he did like that. Meaning the wife or the husband na ganyan. That is ang death problem. Ang death problem, many the sin why they do like that. Nag-wife, and then nag-separate, and then nag-ganyan. I think we will sign ganyan. Now sa America, the adultery that is like that. But ang death nga sign here, the Filipino is boom. So it's like that. Yes. So that is why that is the sin. Remember that's ang word ng God. If you disobey, meaning yan you sin. So at that time, they have New Testament, not yet, but they have the law of Moses. And si David, his sin, 11 verse 1 to 5. If we go to chapter 11 verse 6 to 15, si David, his sin too. What did he sin? Nag-idea siya. Okay. What is the idea? Nag-idea siya kasi when si Bathsheba, the girl, the Bathsheba, his husband, the name of the husband is Uriah. Okay? Si Uriah, he is not a Jew, he is a Hittite. Okay? So meaning they are cheap. Kasi if you are a Jew, you are do like that. So you are special, God called ka God choose. But ang Hittite, they are not God choose, wala. Okay? So meaning if you compare, ang Jew meaning ganyan, ganun ka. And in the Hittite, they are ganyan. Like the Filipinos, cheap ang Filipino, brown, but America, white yan, and they high. So they compare, it's the same. So if you are a Jew, you are high. If you are other the Hittite, they are, it's like that. Now you understand. So, si David, he has to get, kasi na-pregnant. Kapag nag-pregnant, what does it mean? Kasi nag-pregnant ka, nagganon ka, in the Bible, si David, he knows that in the Bible, if you do like that, you will be killed. 2, if you do like that, ang girl will be killed. Kasi ang girl na ganyan, so he will be killed. Ang boy na ganyan, both of them will be killed. So if you base in the Bible, si David is wrong, sin, he has to die. Yeah. Kasi in the Bible, there is law. You have to die. So how? That if I see David mag-lie siya, just say copy death, maganon-ganyan sa maganyan-ganyan. So how? That is why he nag-idea siya. So idea, it's better that si Uriah has to be killed. Okay? So he calls si Uriah, and then he calls Uriah, and then he wants to cover that like that. So he covers, so naganyan sa Uriah, you come Uriah, and then you go home and you do like that to the wife, and si David maganyan. But sorry, kasi si Uriah, his mind is good, better than David. So what does it mean? Meaning his heart, he was honest. Why? Kasi si Uriah, wala siya wrong, wala. Sin siya, wala. Now, ang wrong before si David, his heart is right. It is based in God. But when the time you sin, that heart, sorry, nagbecome yan your own. Ang God not stop. Again, please attention death. Kasi that is death mag-learn. Now, if your life right, that heart, yes, na ganyan yan sa God. But when the time your heart nagbecome ka proud, nagbecome ka evil, sorry, ang God yan magganyan. So your sin nga 1, mag-2 yan, mag-3 yan, mag-4 yan, mag-5 yan, mag-add yan ang sin. So sorry. Beda ka. So si David nag-wrong siya, nag-sin. Nag-lust siya, nag-sin siya, at saka nagganon-ganon siya, nagganyan-ganyan. So nag-wrong ang sin. So ang heart siya just like death. Now, see that kasi the death. Why? Kasi that is your wrong and you sin. No, the death. Why? The wrong and the sin. So si David, heart na ganun siya. Na ganyan. Si Uriah, he's cheap. Nag-normal ang niyang heart. What does it mean? Kasi si David na ganyan-ganyan sa kay Uriah. Call, and then he call meaning magganyan. The same death, the same na. Magganyan. For example, si Boy. Natutulog, and then si ganyan. Why? Kasi and then magganon. Yeah, that is story ni si Boy. So si David same. Kasi nang ganyan sa kay Bathsheba, and then he called the husband, come, go home. Fine. Oh, you go home. He give him a gift. But kasi ang heart ni Uriah is not sa ganyan, not. He did like that. Why? Kasi si Uriah, he has duty as a soldier. Kasi if you are a soldier and you go to war, dapat ka maghuli. What does it mean? Huwag ka magganon, wag. Kasi ang sex yan, it's dirty yan. Kasi huwag ka magganon ka, magganan ko, magganyan ka. So you cannot, kapag soldier yan at saka magganon ka, meaning yan, nagwar, matalo ka, mamatay ka. So the soldier, they know that. So when there is war, they do like that, they don't do like that. So when David, you do like that to the wife, and then she said, no, I am a soldier, we have war to on. If I do that, I will die of war. So he did like that. So when in the morning, si David nagas, and then he calls si Uriah, why you did not go home not? And then he explained that I cannot go home. Why? Kasi we have war. So if I do like that with the wife, it is wrong, it is sin. So I do like that, o tama. Si Uriah, his heart is right. But si David, his heart is wrong. Why? It's like deaf same. Kasi before ang deaf yang, o tama. Oh, no, ang the deaf nag-old, nagganon. Nagganyan. Kawawa deaf. So, nagganyan. So, nagsin. Now you understand. That is that is the meaning. So si Tusalem I summarize. So si David, okay. So si David, okay, don't go home, you stay. Why? Kasi si David again nagsin. How? Just like death, pag sa may ganyan, may ganon. Ang purpose what? At saka mga ganyan, at saka and what did they do? They do like that. Okay? So si David think the same, copy Dave the same. So he calls si Uriah, okay, we do like that. And then when they do like that, hope makapi Dave. But no, si Uriah good. It's the same. That is why last, si David, he wrote a letter. Okay, you give it to Joab. So in that letter, he explained, you Joab, you look for there is a terrible war that is terrible. You choose Uriah, you bring him there, and hope he will first, and then he die. That is what is the meaning. So, si David, not wicked. Why? Si David not wicked. Why nagtigang sa ganon? So what does it mean? Meaning deaf, your heart, you do like that. Is your heart right nga honest ka? If your heart na nag-pretend ka at saka gumaganyan, which sorry you can pretend, yes you can do that. Just like for example, kasi yes, nag-defend siya na ganyan. I give for example, I will not put the name of. Kasi ang deaf yan magganyan, whatever is that. So it's like that. So I'm sorry for that. Another example. Namatay. Before. Kasi si Nilo, missionary na ganyan. So si Tusrem, I think, like that, nagkaganyan sa deaf and friend. But later on, the father of Noel, And then other people see you on cuts. Oh, you see that? So you show the deaf show. His purpose is maganyan at saka maganyan and different. That is the meaning. That is just the same kay David. It's the same. Yeah, it's like that. So, if you have to evaluate your life, kasi when you don't even kawawa ka last sorry to be so like. Now si David is a little bit different sa death. Si David is different sa death. Yeah, later we will learn that. It's different sa death. It's different. Kasi si David yan nag-repent. At saka si David not stop. Then